That one work with it?
Yeah.
Yeah? You tried that?
No. I'm just confidently saying yes.
You're missing a coffee. Where else?
It's too much. We're waiting for the host to arrive right now. Once he comes, we're gonna bring him into our studio. We're gonna film how to build a bat box, and then we're gonna go to the park to film some horses.
And make sure the mic is lined up here as perfectly as possible. You could spot the boom in a shot a lot easier than you know, a black object. So, bright green piece of tape.
That's the way you're brushing your hair?
Yeah.
Alright.
Can you just explain what the webbing does? Alright, let's go install them.
Alan, did you want me rolling in that last couple of things?
I wouldn't have known about the staining. My
favorite joke.
I have.
The bat house on top of your car?
I don't think it would hang. I have a convertible.
And watch how their ears rotate around.
Okay, just understand it's windy today.
Yeah, that's what I was
And they'll
thinking too.
dance a little today.
We'll start getting a lot of B-roll. So we'll just like trees, leaves, water. I'll take out the drone, and then that way we can put this away. When we get to the horses that we have, we just can fly through that a little bit quicker.
There it goes.
So for bat placement is that we want like the broad side of a tree or something like that.
That feels so good. I never saw a horse just lay down in the dirt like that. You're so sleepy. Your eyes are getting heavy. Best damn show ever!
So they actually want to film in 15 minutes or so. Why don't we eat like a little snack? At the same time we'll set up like the tripods. Let's do soft sticks so we don't freak out the horse.
Speeding?
Scene 5, take 1.
A really cool job. So, yes, now we're going to teach you how to ride a horse. And you're going to...
That's a good one.
You're making me look bad here, horse.
All right, well thank you so much and for all that you guys do here.
Well, right now we just got done shooting, so we're just dumping the red footage here, which wasn't that bad today. It was only 145 gigs, but we still have to dump 4 other cameras? No, 5 with the Osmo. We got the drone footage, the Osmo footage, we have the 5D, the 2 GH4s, and then we have the red right here. So we're just dumping everything, and then we're about to go record voiceovers.
I'm living the dream. It's not as natural anymore. No, I'm just living the dream.
Is that right?